Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is
Julie, and this is Harley Quinn.
And today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw a
boat.
If you have any comments and suggestions about what you'd like us to do in the future, don't forget to drop them in the box below. Subscribe to our channel if you enjoy what we're doing. Shall we get started?
Yeah.
Let's begin. Okay, so let's get a brown pen. Okay, this time for the wood of the boat. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw a straight line from here to here, first of all. Straight down like that. Okay?
Yeah.
Yep. But then just to the left, a little bit smaller, we're going to do another straight line running parallel, like that. Okay. Now, along here, we're going to do a horizontal line going that way, like that. And we'll do another horizontal line there, so it matches up with that from that side going off that way. Okay, so we're going to go off like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to join this to this, and we can curve it a little bit so it kind of looks like the wind's blowing into the sail. So we'll just like that. And we're going to do it again like that. Okay, and then we're going to do a little flag. So that's the top of the mast, a little bit down and across like that. We'll put a little dot like that, and then we'll do a diagonal line that way and a diagonal line that way. Brilliant. Okay, so from this point to that point, you kind of want to do like a curved line, a little bit like a, do you imagine like a flattened smile? So I'm going to curve it like that.
Do you touch?
Well, yes, ideally it should touch those bottom bits. So I'm just going to extend those lines so that they match.
But do you touch it there?
Not, it's not actually touching the points now. Okay, that's brilliant. And then on this side, we're going to do a diagonal line going that way. And then on this side, we're going to do a diagonal line going that way. So that's the body of our boat. Let's switch to a blue pen.
Light blue?
Yeah, or dark blue, doesn't matter. Okay, you choose. Brilliant. And then we're just going to do like a wave pattern along the bottom because the boat is in the water.
And I need to fix.
Okay, so now we're going to draw the person sitting inside the boat. So we're just going to keep it really simple.
Grey.
I'm going to use a grey, but just a neutral colour, any colour that you like, that's sort of like, yeah. I'm just going to draw a circle like this.
That's easy. Does it work?
Do you want to borrow my one?
It's okay.
And we'll just do like a curved line like that. And another curved line like that for the shoulders. And just colour that in grey like that.
Looks sad.
It does look a little bit sad, maybe grey wasn't the best colour. Okay, and then we'll do a little bit for the hair, so we'll just do like a little bit on the top like that.
You need to use a different gun.
Yeah?
I want it to look less sad.
Okay, and then for the inside of the boat, we're going to draw a black line, and that's going to be a bit straighter. So we're going to do a black line like that. So it follows the brown line. Like that. Okay. And then I'm just going to colour that bit in so it looks like it's in shadow.
It looks a bit 3D.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, and as you said, person in the boat looks a little bit sad, so let's colour it in now, and we'll colour it in loads of really bright colours, okay? Wow, what an amazing drawing. Give me a high five. That's fantastic. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. We have some more coming up, so stick with us. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.
Bye.